Hi guy, come and join me as I unbox my package. So wetin I buy this time for me to unbox am. Na join now. I don dey open the pack. As make I open the pack wey dem bring come for me, na so I don dey open am one after the other. Come dey bring the things come and I see am so see am. Na see the clothes. Na one website na I just see say just click am send am for me for my email. Na make I click am. I say sure those people dey get better thing for this app oh. Na me say okay make I enter. So I see am say quality thing wey dey dey both man and woman and children. Oh e dey. See am na you see this material this clothes wey I buy, the material wey dem use is very good material. The material good this my own na baby own na. This first one na my baby oh. Na start I open am oh this material too good. Na small nika for baby girl for my adorable princess. Una see am na. Una see as e be na. Na I come say wetin dey worry the hairband. Why the hairband dey fall? Now I pick am for ground. Una see am na. So I come dey show una. But when my baby wear am, e fit am oh. Hey, okay, now see the hairband. So make una show na the hairband again. You can see how the hairband be. The hairband fine well. Oh yeah, yeah. Now see one na the first set of the clothes. Now see na, this one long sleeve, white long sleeve. Una see am. I got the show one after the other. And the long sleeve fine well. And the material na good material they use. The design, the tradition, the nonsense. So the design good well when they use. I say okay, make I dey show, make I see unbox am. In case una want time, una go tell me. I go drop the link for comment section for una. This one the brown trouser. I love this trouser. Why I like am e get rubber for waist. If you be plus size, you fit wear no fierce. If you order am say go small for your body. This long sleeve us blood. I too love us blood. Una say will make your color come out more. Una say I can't take test neck whether I enter my body. I can't still wear and say make I say it will be me and long sleeve will be 5 and 6 because it dey fit me well. I too love long sleeve now. So I can say okay fine, it good. Okay, make I come and check the other pack. I can't see bring and come out now. This one na two set of trouser when it dey inside. This one the first trouser. Ash not be off-white, my color off-white. Now be this trouser so and it fine and it fit me very well. But the material strong well. The material is strong. If you want buy for this one, you want buy your size, then you cannot go up because it not the stress. So now start the put I can't put that for the hole. I can't button and make you see how it be. So I take button, see the button fine and I like the design for waist. I take do the waist design, I like am. As I constitution at the under, someone say the under, the solid neat because I be tailor. I know when you say when better tailor do clothes for you, I know how it dey be. So I come this one, I love this one. Why I love the color and the linen. When they do the line, I like. Now so I see design for waist. No, they really try. I say okay, make I dey buy them. Cause me, I too like to dey buy it to my husband. More than also they hide the ATM for me because you say this my wife. If you use the item my ATM, it will carry am. Very soon I go dey lock am for under trouser. Make am dey carry am dey sell. Use am again. See and I come dey put am for my waist. I go say okay, e do see my baby wear again because I no fit remove eye for those clothes when I buy. They too fine. That's come dey show am again. Say oh, una see am na. Una see the inside and outside. Una see the back and the front. See this white long sleeve. I love am. See the gold tie wey dey the love. Thank you for watching. God bless you.